Have you ever felt that sinking feeling in your gut when applying for a loan or a new credit card only to be denied? It can be frustrating, especially when you think you have a good handle on your finances. But the culprit might not be your spending habits, it could be your credit report. Your credit report is a detailed record of your borrowing history, containing information like your credit utilization ratio, payment history, and any outstanding debts. Lenders use this report to assess your creditworthiness, so it's crucial to ensure the information it contains is accurate and up to date. That's where credit monitoring services like Borrowell come in. They offer free access to your credit report and score, allowing you to track your financial health and identify any potential errors. But with so many options on the market, a critical question arises: is Borrowell actually up to date with the latest information on your credit report? Let's dive deep and unpack Borrowell's credit report updates. Here's what you need to know. The credit report refresh cycle. Understanding how credit reports get updated is key. The information in your report originates from your creditors, like banks and credit card companies. They periodically report your activity, including your current credit balances and payment history, to credit bureaus like Equifax and TransUnion. These bureaus then process and consolidate the information into your official credit report. The catch? There's no set time frame for how often creditors report to credit bureaus. Some might report every few days, while others might do it monthly or even less frequently. This delay can create a gap between your actual credit activity and what appears on your report. How Borrowell stays updated. Borrowell specifically retrieves data from Equifax Canada. While Borrowell can't control the reporting cycle of creditors, they boast of offering weekly updates on your credit report. This means you'll get a relatively fresh snapshot of your credit health every 7 days, allowing you to stay on top of any potential changes. However, it's important to remember that weekly updates doesn't necessarily mean your report reflects the absolute latest information. There's still a window of time between when a creditor reports to Equifax and when Borrowell receives the updated data. Understanding the lag. So, how much of a lag are we talking about? It can vary depending on several factors. Creditor reporting habits. As mentioned earlier, some creditors are more prompt than others when it comes to reporting to credit bureaus. Equifax processing time. Equifax also needs time to process the information it receives from creditors before incorporating it into your report. Borrowell's update schedule. Borrowell has its own internal update schedule, which might not always coincide perfectly with when Equifax receives new data. The bottom line. While Borrowell's weekly updates provide a valuable advantage in monitoring your credit report, it's essential to be realistic about potential delays. There might be a slight lag between your most recent credit activity and what shows up on your Borrowell report. Beyond Borrowell. Remember, Borrowell isn't the only player in the credit monitoring game. Here are some additional tips for staying on top of your credit health. Direct access through credit bureaus. Both Equifax and TransUnion allow you to access your credit report for free once a year. This is a good way to get a comprehensive overview of your credit history. Alerts and notifications. Many credit monitoring services offer features like credit score alerts, which notify you of any significant changes to your score. Dispute errors. If you find any errors on your credit report, you have the right to dispute them with the credit bureau and the creditor who reported the information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.